Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to the Site Visit in New tab. Click the post. Click All Post. Click Edit associated with Online. Add the data. Click Update. Click the plugin. Click Add New Plugin. Search Redirection. Click Install. Activate. Click Setting Redirection. Click Start Setup. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Finish Setup. Click Continue. Click Ready to Begin. Click Redirect. Click Add Redirect. Click the link in the bio to sign up wplearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.